My name is Adrien Stern and I'm the founder and CEO of Reveel. We're building the next generation Zelle, leveraging stablecoins and AI to basically enable global payments directly in your messages and in your social media platforms. So we leverage stablecoins, which are a new type of payment rail that's built on the blockchain. And that allows us to very easily send money all across the globe. So that's sort of the underlying infrastructure. On top of that, we've implemented AI to enable users to interact directly in their communication channels, their messages, their social media, with an agent that can then execute the transaction and basically takes all of the data to automate the payment between two parties that might be in totally different environments, different jurisdictions, maybe using different payment systems. So we can automate all of that and really offer a very simple payment experience. I was a musician in a previous career and I had to pay, other creators I was working with all across the globe. International payments were a massive headache. Paying artists in Mali and Chile and Jamaica, sometimes old school artists who wanted to be paid via Western Union. So when you send $40 via Western Union, the other party receives, $15 after 8 days. It's not a great experience. So that always sort of stuck with me. I think one of the great things about MassChallenge is that they have companies who put forward these problems and challenges that they want to solve, right? And so they come here with an intention of learning how they can solve these problems and hopefully finding a solution to solve those problems. And so we have the opportunity to work with partners who are looking at how they can leverage stablecoins to enable cross-border payments for their customers and members. And so it's really a match that is really facilitated by MassChallenge, and I think that really speeds up the entire process. I think what's really interesting and hopefully will be very helpful is that there are a lot of companies working in different sort of parts of the financial services space. And so we can definitely learn a lot from each other. Some perhaps very focused on compliance, others like us more on payments and how we execute the payments. And so I think there's a lot that we can learn from each other simply in terms of where we engage with partners. But then obviously, every founder's got their backstory, their strong suits. I think startups who are interested in working with bigger corporations should definitely look at how MassChallenge is addressing specific issues within their industry. Because it is a great way to accelerate sort of your understanding of how corporate works and build those relationships.